Good evening. Today I want to talk about the conditions in the IT sector. The IT sector seems to be doing the best as far as the post-COVID recovery in economy is concerned. There seems to be a lot of money floating into it. Even Indian banks are being forced to invest a lot of money in infrastructure. In fact, India's largest private sector bank is in serious trouble. That is, HDFC is in serious trouble. The RBI has given strict strictures and is not allowing it to invest in more products, digital products, and has stopped them from issuing credit cards. This ban has continued for more than 6 months. All other banks, trading platforms are also had regular outages. What this means is, as India moves wholesale into the IT world and payments are moved online using the BMAP, the infrastructure has broken down. So India itself has to make a lot of investments in IT infrastructure. Worldwide, as the market continues to grow, climb, and more and more markets are opened, across Europe and America, corporates are forced to make large investments in IT. This has meant that immediately after the first wave passed, IT recruitment went up across the board. Since the newcomers were not trained properly, there was a wholesome shortage in employees. This meant each company went raiding into the other company and picked up staff at higher rates. I have seen several cases where employees of one big four company have jumped to another company at 30 to 40% increases. There have also been cases where some have been given a sign-on bonus. That means you are paid something to join the company. This is especially true in startups and MNC companies where Apple laptops were normally given. But today I'm hearing of stories which are completely at variance. BharatPay, a company involved in payment systems, has offered BMW bikes for new people who are joining. This means a motorcycle worth 2.5-3 lakhs is being given to entice employee to join this company. This is not for an employee who has already performed, is being given incentives. People are being given high-end bikes just to join the company. Such is the shortage for people with experience in critical IT sector. Also in HCL, which is a recent news that came, to retain people and make sure that people will not leave the company, the HCL is mulling ideas of giving BMW cars and Mercedes Benzes to senior level techies so that they do not defect from the company and continue to serve. If one company starts to do it, all other companies have to join. Otherwise, you will very soon have an exodus of staff. But this trading of people from one company to another company shows there is a critical shortage in technically qualified staff. Therefore, for people who continuously ask me on what they should do to improve their self and improve their career, I have always been suggesting that people learn skills, basic skills in IT. If you know how to program, then you could do R programming or learn Python. A proficiency in Python and R programming will mean a big jump in salary or get a straight away an admission. Get into a new job with high paying salaries plus perks. What is Python? Python is a language used to scrape data from a database, even from its remotest corners. This is in big demand today. Basically, data sciences along with R programming will make it into a deadly combination because that is the basis of machine learning. Even today, investors are talking of making decisions using machine learning processes and combining with human judgment. This means machine learning, data sciences, data scraping are the way to go for the future. These are going to be in large demand and more people are going to join this company, these kind of companies, and there is going to be rising demand in such companies. More large corporates in Europe and America are going to set up their own delivery and offshore centers in India. This will mean more requirement. What has this meant for other industries is that in sales, in marketing, in construction infrastructure, critical talent is simply not available. Talent is being sucked out by the IT field. Even in other areas of operations, today computers and technology has made a big difference. So, even knowledge of such mundane things as Excel and PowerPoint and use of Office suite can make sure that you will land a job in any corporate if you are unemployed now. If you have mastered Excel or PowerPoint, you can look at a salary in at least of 30 to 40,000 rupees. I know of companies in Madras which have more than 50 seats Kids basically do PowerPoint presentations and deliver to professionals across the world. The world is an open space today, and it is very clear that the major demand is going to come in IT and IT related services. There has been another major development in the Indian IT industry. One of the founders of the IT industry, Shiv Nadar, who is from Tamil Nadu, was originally from PSG Tech Coimbatore, went to Delhi to start selling IBM machines. Then, along with his friends, started selling his own brand of machines called HCL. Decided to call it a day. But in this long journey, he has moved from making computers to becoming a software giant, and HCL Software is one of the largest software driven companies in India. The rise of HCL has been mirrored with the rise of Wipro. Both of these were primarily hardware companies which at one time realized they cannot compete with the Chinese and the Taiwanese companies from where they were importing the chips, decided to move into software and software services, and decided to copy Infosys and TCS. Today marks an end of an era when Shiv Nadar calls it quits. He quits as the CEO and resigns as the board member, but will continue as chairman emeritus and strategic advisor to HCL. He still remains the largest shareholder of HCL. Thank you for watching. Be rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.